The PanaCast adventure begins in 2007 with the idea of synchronized camera array. Stanford-based Oren Zedkon and his team formed Altia Systems to develop PanaCast in 2011. In February 2019, Altia Systems was acquired by Jabra for $129 million USD, and PanaCast is added to Jabra product line. Jabra PanaCast is engineered to be the world's first 180-degree panoramic plug-and-play video solution, designed to bring huddle rooms to life with high-definition video. It is capable of panoramic 4K video using three 13-megapixel cameras and patented real-time video stitching to give 180-degree coverage for a more natural view of the huddle room. Intelligent Zoom automatically includes everyone in the conversation, while Vivid HDR ensures the best video experience, even under widely varying lighting conditions. Plug-and-play technology lets you collaborate with others quickly and easily, bringing hassle-free video and audio to your huddle room. Jabra PanaCast is plug-and-play, but you can also combine with a hub or dock that also connects speaker, TV, power, and internet for a simple one-cable user interface. Jabra PanaCast works with all leading video and audio conferencing solutions and is certified for use with Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Jabra PanaCast, the best triple camera solution that money can buy.